The next mRNA vaccine, a cancer fighter? The COVID-19 vaccines might have a hidden benefit beyond protecting against the virus. They could boost the immune system to better fight cancer during treatment. This exciting possibility emerged from recent research presented at the European Society for Medical Oncology conference in Berlin. While the study is still in its early stages, having not yet progressed to a phase 3 clinical trial, experts are optimistic about its potential. "I am cautiously optimistic," said Stephanie Dugan, an associate professor of cancer immunology and virology at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, who was not involved in the research. "There is a scientific logic to why this could work. The study found that among cancer patients undergoing immunotherapy, those who received an mRNA COVID-19 vaccine within 100 days before starting treatment lived longer." Immunotherapy harnesses the body's immune system to fight cancer cells, but only about 20% of patients respond to it. Enhancing the effectiveness of these drugs has been a challenging endeavor for researchers. Traditional immune-stimulating methods have either been too weak or too strong, leading to under- or overactivation of the immune system. mRNA COVID-19 vaccines might occupy a Goldilocks zone, offering the perfect balance. "Maybe we just needed something that was medium strong, and this could potentially be it," Dugan suggested, emphasizing the need for further research. This research is set to begin soon. Dr. Adam Grippin, a senior resident in radiation oncology at the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center, who co-led the study, is launching a phase 3 clinical trial to validate the initial findings. The study analyzed survival rates among over 1,000 individuals with advanced non-small cell lung cancer who received immunotherapy from 2019 to 2023. Of these, 180 received an mRNA COVID-19 vaccine within 100 days of starting treatment. The median survival for this group was nearly twice as long as for those who were not vaccinated, approximately 3 years compared to just over 1.5 years. The research also compared survival rates in a smaller group of patients with metastatic melanoma. Among those who didn't receive the vaccine, median survival was just over 2 years. Those who were vaccinated before treatment had not yet reached their median survival point after more than 3 years of follow-up. Further experiments in mice provided evidence that aligns with the observed effects in humans. The mRNA vaccines appear to supercharge the immune system against tumors by stimulating dendritic cells, a type of white blood cell. When dendritic cells detect a threat, they act as a beacon, guiding T cells to the invader, enabling them to attack. However, not everyone naturally possesses T cells capable of fighting tumors. This is why immunotherapies only work in some cancer patients. The immune system recognizes cancer cells as a threat, but the specific T cells may be unable to halt tumor growth. This randomness is highlighted by Jeff Collar, a professor of RNA biology and therapeutics at Johns Hopkins Medicine. "It's just random chance whether you have those cells or you don't," Collar explained. While mRNA COVID-19 vaccines don't alter the presence of specific T cells, they seem to enhance the likelihood that dendritic cells will identify tumors as a problem and direct the available T cells to the tumor. If these cells are programmed to kill tumor cells, the vaccine can provide a boost, improving the effectiveness of cancer therapy. Collar believes mRNA technology is well suited for this response due to the body's natural presence of mRNA in every cell. "We are really tapping into that natural process that your body already knows how to respond to," he said. "You are using your body's natural system to fight tumors." Dugan, however, cautioned that other factors might have contributed to the improved survival among vaccinated patients. For instance, a COVID-19 infection might have weakened an unvaccinated person's body, hindering their ability to combat cancer cells. Dugan reminded us of the history of promising early studies that didn't hold up in later trials. "We have been misled by retrospective studies before," she said. Grippin agreed that the findings warrant further scrutiny. "This data is exciting, but all of these findings need to be validated in phase 3 clinical trials to determine whether these vaccines should be used in our patients," he stated. This research opens up exciting possibilities for the future of mRNA vaccines in cancer treatment.